In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message in a channel in Slack. Whether you're a Slack rookie or an experienced user, mastering the basics is crucial to smooth and effective communication within your team. Slack is a dynamic communication tool used worldwide to streamline work discussions, and sending a message in a channel is one of the fundamental actions that keep teams connected and informed. First things first, let's make sure you're all set and ready to dive in. Start by opening Slack and logging into your workspace. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, ensure you're in the right one beforehand. This will give you access to all the channels and conversations needed to keep you in the loop. Now that you're inside your workspace, take a glance over to the left sidebar. Here you'll find a list of channels that you belong to. These are sort of like departments or subject areas, each denoted by a hashtag. Click on the channel where you want to post your message. For example, you might select channels like #general for broad announcements or #project team for more specific projects. Once you've selected your desired channel, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. There you'll notice a message box that's labeled appropriately based on the channel name, such as message #general or message #project team. This is where you'll compose your message for the whole channel to see. After locating the message box, it's time to type your message. Whether you're sharing critical updates, asking a question, or sending words of encouragement, clarity and conciseness are your best friends. Feel free to use formatting tools available to add emphasis or structure to your message. You can even add emojis to convey your tone if you deem it fitting. Finally, after reviewing your message for accuracy and clarity, go ahead and hit enter or return, depending on your keyboard, to send it out into the channel. And just like that, your message is live for your teammates to collaborate and engage with. And there you have it. You've successfully sent a message in a Slack channel. Remember, effective communication is key to teamwork, and Slack is an awesome tool to facilitate that. Hopefully you found this guide useful, and you're now more confident in sending messages swiftly and effortlessly in your workspace. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more beginner tips and advanced hacks on